I'm so excited because I have been wearing retainers for years and I've never really had a good way to clean them. But now B.WEISS has sent me 2 extra strength retainer cleaners to try out, and this is awesome. There's a mint and a grape. Grape's my favorite flavor, so I'm gonna try this one for you tonight. They just come in little packets of tablets here. You just tear off, and I have a little metal cup that I'm gonna wash my retainers in. So I'm just going to get some hot water going here. There's my retainers. Sometimes they get really yellow or yucky or just like, I don't know, just need freshened up. You can use this for any dental devices as well. So denture wearers, retainers, Invisalign. So I'm gonna put them in the cup there and put a little hot water in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Okay, so my retainers are in some warm water here in my cup, and I have a tablet here ready to go. This is the grape, and you can see it kind of has 2 layers there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that little tablet in there. And oh boy, look, we got the fizzies going on. That looks amazing. I can't wait to see how clean these get. The one cool thing that I was noticing about this retainer cleaner is it's persulfate-free. And I was reading that persulfate can cause sensitivities in some people's gums. So this is wonderful. We got 2 different flavors, mint and grape, and we'll see how this goes after it's done. Okay, my retainers have been in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see the water's kind of purple. Smells just vaguely like grape. So I'm gonna give these a rinse. One more cool thing about the B.WEISS retainer cleaner is they send you this cool little tool, and it's a retainer remover, and it helps you pull your retainers off if you don't want to break your nails. Okay, you can see my retainers are all rinsed and they look very crystal clear and brand new. So I'm gonna put them on here and see if they have any kind of taste or flavor to them. Here we go, nice clean retainers going in. They feel awesome, clean, fresh, no flavor. I love this. This is an awesome retainer cleaner. I highly recommend it for any of your nighttime dental appliances, and especially if you have any sensitivities in your gums. This product is sensitive safe. I had a little grabber that came from my B.WEISS cleaner. That's how the retainer comes off with those. Here's your lot on. It's actually kind of handy. I like that.